So initially it was based around our sales team, where we kind of thought that first need was. But what was quite interesting actually is that people were kind of asking what was this done, and we had people coming into the sales meeting saying, what's these 3 things thing that you do? So that gained quite a lot of interest. Then we started to do it with cross-functional groups of people from our client services teams, from our operation teams, and it was a great skill for them to learn because they're interacting internally and externally with clients. So that was really good, but often the payoff with these things is that people that you pass in the corridor, you now actually connect with them. So in terms of collaboration, team working and connecting with the wider business, it's been really really well received, to the extent now that, you know, we want to roll some more sessions out in the future, and it's going to be more mixed groups rather than single business units.